Plug in to Ashby Camps, the outlet. From the church's website, click on more. Then click on Ashby Camps website. From Ashby Camps website, click on audio video. From the YouTube channel, then click on his link to YouTube. From the YouTube, hit playlist. From the playlist, you'll see his classes. In the future, just hit the subscribe button so you will avoid having to go through all these steps. The playlist here, you can watch Ashby's classes. You can also subscribe from the home page. Also, you can just click on the Facebook page and join us at Facebook. Hit like, share with a friend. If this video's gone too fast for you, pause at any time. Look forward to see you at the outlet.